You see, one of the sheikhs mentioned that you want to teach someone adab, you want to teach someone patience, you want to teach someone respect. So when they are moody, when they are negative, you adopt the positive way. This is the best way to teach them positivity. This is the best way to teach them good akhlaq. So if someone is behaving badly, you behave goodly. This is, you are teaching them that what is goodness. So maybe they learn this time, next time, 3 times, 5 times. Many people take actually some time to learn. But this is a direct lesson for them. That person is showing you evil, you are actually showing a good conduct, sabr, shukr, humbleness, tawadu, forgiveness. So you are directly giving them the message of forgiveness to them. And as I said, don't forget that Allah will bless you from Himself, His own treasures. What will you get? You cannot imagine.